Hello everyone. Boy, I've got a rare one today. I've got a 2005 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon Unlimited Texas Sahara Edition. This is number 504 of only 1,000 of them ever made. It's got the locking Dana 44 axles front and rear, 4-to-1 rock track transfer case, 4.0 automatic. This one runs and drives great. This one was owned by a close family member of mine, and we're helping him sell it. It's got 80,000 miles on it. It's never been wrecked, but it does have a rebuilt salvage title. If you want to know why, just give me a call and I'll tell you why. This has been on the road now for about 9 years with him. It needs a little TLC. I would say it needs a pair of front fenders. The wheels need cleaned up and refinished. Interior on this thing is absolutely spotless. Very nice, clean. Smells very good. That's just water. It's got 80,106 miles. Cruise, cold air, CD player. It's got the compass temperature mirror. It's got a really nice back seat. Nice clean console. Engine sounds perfect, shifts good. It's got a worn 9.5 Ti winch with an ARB bull bumper. Works good. Underside needs cleaned up and painted. If you don't know, these editions were built for the movie Sahara. Number 504, Rubicon Unlimited Texas Sahara Edition. Ready to go. Send us an email, give us a call. No, we don't take trades, no financing. Show up with the money in a trailer and you can have this one. No test drives. I'm telling you, it runs and drives good. Thanks for watching. Bye.